All right, so now let's check out multiplying integers on the number line, and let's see what happens when we have a positive number and we multiply that by a negative. And again, we're gonna have the help of our lovely assistants, our most beautiful, perfect, and oval rain frogs. All right, let's try a positive 2 multiplied by a negative 4. All right, so once again, our first term here is going to tell me which direction I'm facing. So which direction and how many jumps. And then my second term, so in this case that negative 4, is going to tell me how big my jumps are. How big of a jump. And also if I'm going forwards or backwards. Okay. So our first integer is a positive number. It's positive 2. So we need our little positive facing frog. So again, all positives are going to send us, all positives are going to send us to the right. All negatives are going to send us to the left. So since our first integer is a positive 2, go ahead and erase that. Let's pull down our positive frog. Hello, I'm your positive frog, even though I look sad. All right. And we know that we're going to do 2 jumps. So our second integer tells us that we are going to do jumps that are 4 units. You can think of that as an absolute value, and it says how big of a jump it is. And since it's a negative, since we have a negative number right there, that's going to tell us that we're going to move backwards. So our little frog is going to like moonwalk backwards. Units of 4 twice. So let's go ahead and do that. So the first jump our little froggy takes is backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4 units. And the second jump our little froggy takes is also backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So a positive 2 times a negative 4 equals negative 8. And so we can just remember here that anytime we have a positive number multiplied by a negative number, we will end up with a negative.